In this video we learn how to done this exercise. Now before making a CAD model of these drawings, we study these drawings. Now first of all we start from this circle which is a 60 which has a 60 mm diameter and 50 mm height. Now open the SolidEdge and now select the circle, select the top side, draw the circle, give the dimension 60 mm. Now another circle which is a core diameter which is a 30 mm. Now draw another circle, give the dimension 30 mm. Now select this close region and extrude upward 50 mm. Now select the extrude, select extrude, moves upward 50 mm. Now make a slot here 8 mm throughout. Select line, top face, draw the line, make it reference, select the square and draw here square, 2-point square. Now give the dimension 8 mm from reference line, 4 mm. Now select extrude, cut 50 mm. Now another extrude which is a 50 mm square to connect with these circles 50. Now height is 20 mm. This extrude up to 90 mm from whole circle centers. So first of all select the line, select this base, now draw the horizontal line, third line, draw vertical, both make a center line. Now give the dimension, this line from whole center 90 mm. Now draw the rectangle, give the dimension 50 mm from center line 25 mm. Now draw the arc. Select here trim and cut the sketch. Now make it close the sketch. Select Extrude and move upward 20 mm. Now make the slot 24 mm, slot 40 mm length. First of all, select the line, select this face, front plane, draw this line, make it reference. Now draw the arc by center. Draw the half circle radius with the dimension 24 mm, so radius will be 12 mm. Now draw the line and make the close sketch. Now select the extrude, drag this up to 40 mm. Now our job is ready, exercise is ready. Now render it from view. Now from here select yellow, close it, make the old dimension. You can check with the drawing 50 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, 50 mm, 30 mm diameters, inner diameter, mm outer diameter, now 50 mm height, 8 mm slot, 40 mm this extrude and radius 12 mm, so 24 mm length of slot. Now done our exercise. Thank you for watching these videos.